Long ago, a boy named Baybars was captured and sold as a slave in Cairo. He was strong and brave, with a scar on his face. Even though he was treated as a servant, Baybars dreamed of freedom. In his heart, he knew he was born to be a warrior and a leader one day. Baybars joined the Mamluks, slave soldiers who became great warriors. He trained every day riding horses, using swords and shooting arrows. He worked harder than anyone, never giving up. Soon, everyone began to respect him. Baybars was no longer just as the Mongols were the strongest army in the world. Feared everywhere. They destroyed cities and spread terror. In 1260, they marched toward Syria. People thought no one could stop them. But Baybars stood tall. "We will not fear them." He told his men, "We will fight for our faith, for our people, and for Allah." At Ain Jalut, Baybars led the Muslim army. He tricked the Mongols by pretending to run away. When they chased, hidden soldiers suddenly attacked. Baybars charged at the front. Fearless as a lion, the Mongols, who seemed unstoppable, were finally defeated.